So we have one more word problem here, and that is based on area only, and it is a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of sides 3 meter is laid on the floor. Floor is 5 meter length, is of length 5 meter and of width 4 meter, and you are laying down a square carpet on this floor of sides 3 meter. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. If this is the condition, this is our rectangular floor, this is a carpet, square carpet of sides 3 meter, and we have to lay down this carpet, we have to cover this floor using this square carpet. Now, let's suppose that if I place this carpet here, and let's say that it comes something like this. Let's say that this carpet comes something like this. Okay, so it's covering here and it has covered here. Fine. Now you can clearly see that this is 3 meter, this is 3 meter, this is 3 meter, and this is 3 meter. You can see that we cannot place another red carpet, this square carpet here. Why? Because there is no space left for another square carpet. This is 3 meter and the length left is 2 meter only. And in this case, we have 1 meter only. So there is no scope left for another carpet to be placed here, to be laid down here. And that is why we can only place one carpet. So you have to find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So that's very simple. First find out the area of the rectangle and then find out the area that could be covered or could be covered using this carpet, and that will be the area of this carpet, and subtract this area from the area of the rectangular floor and you'll get the answer. So if I denote A1, that is the area of rectangular plot or this floor, rectangular floor, if that is A1, and that is 5, that is length times breadth, that is square meter, and this will give you 20 square meter, right? This is the area of this rectangular floor. When we place this, we lay down this carpet here, so it has covered some area. What will be the area covered? And that will be the area of this square. So if area A2 is the area of this square, and that will be 3 times 3 square meter, you'll get 9 square meter. The area of this square carpet will be the area covered when this carpet will be laid down on this floor. So 9 square meter area is covered out of this 20 square meter. So how much area is left? The area left will be area left or not carpeted. Will be 20 square meter, that is this A1, minus 9 square meter, that is A2, A1, A2, and what it will tell us? It will tell us this area that could not be covered, and this will be equal to 20 minus 9 is 11 square meter. So this area left will be 11 square meter that could not be carpeted.